Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and opening Teams correctly. First, sign into the account that requires settings reset and confirm the app version so you know what will change. Once done, fully close Teams using the system tray or task manager. This prevents corrupted cache while you work. Make sure to export or note any custom settings, pin chats, or personal configurations you need to restore later so you don't lose important data during the reset. You now perform the core reset steps by clearing cache and refreshing the client. First, delete Teams cache folders in %appdata %Microsoft /Teams and the local app data cache locations. Removing these forces the app to rebuild its settings. Next, restart Teams and allow it time to resync with cloud-backed settings. This often restores standard behavior. If the client still behaves oddly, use the app settings reset option or perform a clean reinstall to replace corrupted files and restore defaults. You finish by verifying account level and organization policies and performing final checks. If settings still persist, review Teams admin center policies or group policy settings that may override local defaults. Make sure to test the account on a different device or the web client to determine whether the problem is local or server-side. If issues continue, collect client logs using Ctrl+Alt+Shift+1 and share.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.